I am sitting inside the official car in Malaysia that comes with side view cameras, and you can probably guess what it is already. Now, there is a souped up version of the car, and it is this, the Audi SQ8 e-tron. This retails at 534,000 ringgit for the SUV version and 544,000 ringgit for the Sportback version, and those prices are inclusive of the Audi Assurance Package. So what exactly do you get when you spend this amount of money? Well, let's have a look. It's about the size of a BMW iX or an EQE SUV, but this is a performance car, so think of the iX M60 or the AMG EQE SUV. Looks like the standard Q8 e-tron, especially if you compare it to the one with the S-Line trim, but this one adds on several things on top of the S-Line trim, so you get a sportier set of 22-inch wheels, and there's also vents on the front wheel arches. The good news at the front is that you get a frunk, and this is something that some EVs can learn to incorporate. Standard on the SQ8 e-tron is this set of digital matrix LED headlights, and if I'm not mistaken, there's about 1.3 million pixels per headlight. One more standard thing for the SQ8 e-tron is of course the highlight, these carbon fiber side view cameras. They sure look expensive to replace. This is the most powerful version of the Q8 e-tron, and it makes 503 German horsepower and 973 Newton meters of torque. This is the first EV in Malaysia with a 3-motor setup, one at the front and 2 at the back. 0 to 100 is done in 4.5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 210 kilometers an hour. It takes about 31 minutes to charge the car from 10% to 80%, and that's with DC fast charging at a maximum rate of 170 kilowatts. It takes about 11.5 hours to charge from flat to full with 11 kilowatt AC charging, but the good news is that this car can do 22 kilowatts AC charging, so it should take half the amount of time. Oh, another good thing is that there's chargers on both sides of the car, so that's pretty neat. On a full charge, you can drive up to 471 kilometers in the Sportback and 458 kilometers in the SUV. Some say that its dashboard looks a bit outdated, but I personally quite like it. There's 3 screens on the dashboard, well 5 if you include these side view cameras, but they don't quite dominate the dashboard as much. The main screen comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, the car's own navigation system, a 360-degree view to see around the car, and a button to adjust the air suspension of the car. The gear lever looks like something from out of a fictional spaceship. There's a wireless mobile phone charger here, there's 4-zone climate control, Bang & Olufsen sound system, decent space in the back, and a panoramic sunroof. There's a Sportback as well as an SUV version, and of course the Sportback is more aerodynamic than the SUV. And since we're here, boot space is 569 litres for the SUV, 528 litres for the Sportback. For more information on the car, head on to AutoBuzz.my.